Hello and welcome. HMD Global is holding two events on June 6th, so only 3 more days to go. The event will be held in India as well as in Italy, where the company is expected to announce the Nokia 6.2. The Nokia 6.2 is rumored to be the global variant of Nokia X71 that launched in Taiwan few weeks ago. Although Nokia 6.2 is believed to be the Nokia X71 for global market, it has few notable differences. As for Nokia 6.2, we expect the design on the outside to be almost identical to Nokia X71 with a punch hole display and a glass body with solid metal frame to provide durability. The biggest drawback of Nokia 6.2 is the processor. It's the Snapdragon 632, which, if you remember, is the same processor used in Moto G7, which was not received very well. I don't know what HMD Global is thinking, but it's really a dumb move. While most of the brands are moving towards a Snapdragon 700 series chipset, Nokia 6.2 seems to be stuck on the lower end of 600 series chipset. Okay, so let's move on to display. It features a 6.2-inch punch-hole display, which ironically is the name of the smartphone as well, Nokia 6.2. Although it's unknown which kind of display technology will be used, but it's pretty clear that it will be an IPS LCD display. The reason is simple, it's said to have a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner which directs towards not using an AMOLED display, and maybe this device will be cheaper as well. Like the Nokia 3.2 and Nokia 4.2, the Nokia 6.2 is also expected to come with LED power button breathing light on the side of the frame that glows whenever you receive a missed call or an unread message. I think more OEMs should use this. What are your thoughts on it? I will be waiting for your comment, so do comment. Another speculation is that the Nokia 6.2 may not get a triple camera setup like the Nokia X71, while we expect the same 48MP Sony IMX586 primary camera. The Nokia 6.2 is said to come with only a secondary camera that could either be for depth sensing or an ultra-wide angle lens. HMD's teaser also seems to suggest a dedicated night mode for the upcoming Nokia phone that would help in low light photography, like most other brands which provide some kind of night mode feature. It's also expected to feature a 3.5mm headphone jack, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, USB Type-C and a 3500 mAh battery with quick charge support. Now coming to price, Nokia X71 with few upgrades was sold in Taiwan for Taiwanese dollars 11,990, which translates to rupees 26,900. Considering that, it seems Nokia 6.2 will be sold somewhere closer to that, and recently a tweet from Nokia confirms the price to be around $290, which translates to rupees 20,000. The teaser from the launch event shared by Nokia on its official handle also hints at multiple color options for this device. Mark the calendar for live event and we will see you there on 6th June. Until further leaks, stay subscribed and hope to see you in the next one. Peace out.